So guys, listen. Listen. How far you can run without earphones. Woo, crazy. So I ran half marathon today without preps, without carb loads, just loaded with thoughts without earphones. You see how crazy it is. You push yourself to the limit, you always won with arguments. And it's crazy. See? A lot of motivated people here Sunday morning in Manila Bay. You should try it, guys. Run with me. Run with them. Just fucking run. Happy Sunday. Peace.